Alright, I'm just going to go through some little finds that I've had this week. So this box I picked up at an estate sale. Picked up a leather belting. And because, hit and miss engines, we can hook something up with this. And because it's, leather, pretty dried out. They also had some neat's foot oil. So yeah, we can use those. Then while I'm on the oil category, always use some linseed oil. Yeah, I think this box cost me $20. No marks on these, but the side cutters. Don't know why I picked up another monkey wrench, but I did. And a little, there we go. Craftsman, is that a Circle F? I'm not a Craftsman collector, but pick these up. And last but not least, friend of work. He sent me a picture a while ago, asked me if I wanted this item. I says yeah, so $20. Got a brush drill. You see here it's 2-speed. And can you see here it's a Mohawk, which would be the economy line of Miller's Falls. But anyway, there's this week's finds. Tell me which you think is your favorite. Thanks for watching.